Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not in error. Within the next 100 years, the global supply of oil and gas are predicted to run out. Before taking a look at our choices, let's see if we can find a mistake in our underlined phrase. Are is one of the present forms of the verb be, used with plural subjects and the subject you. When referring to a singular subject, we use the singular form is. So now our question is the subject of our sentence singular or plural? At first glance, it may seem that the subject of our sentence is plural, as we're discussing oil and gas. If we're discussing two things, we must talk in the plural. However, taking a closer look, we can see that oil and gas both fall under a single category, the global supply. We're lumping oil and gas together and discussing the supply of both commodities. Now that we've established this, we can see that supply is singular, meaning we shouldn't be saying are here, but rather is in the singular. Heading down to our choices, we can see that choice C offers just that, is. This being the case, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at our other choices just to be sure. B. Were. Here we see two problems. One is that, again, were is in the plural, and we're looking for a singular verb. But even if this was in the singular, this verb is in the past tense, and we're talking about a future event, as we see from the words within the next 100 years. For both of these reasons, we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D. Was. Here we actually do see the singular version of the verb were. However, our point still stands. This doesn't work as it's a past tense verb and we're discussing a future event. This choice can be marked off, and we can go ahead and mark our original answer, choice C, as our final answer.